Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to revisit a problem which was in my very first video in YouTube, and that is the airbag light of the car. As you can see, start the car and I get the same error code as before. The difference now is that I have TopDon TopScan that should be able to read the ABS airbag control module and give us some info about the fault. As many have mentioned in the comments below, the reason that the airbag light was reset was actually that disconnecting the car battery and not the repair on the connector. And that actually might be true. Let's take a look at the scan results. We managed to perform a all system scan. As you can see, it did find the carving number is vehicle equipped with a DSC. Yes, keyless entry equipped. So I'm going to do an auto scan. And let's see all the results. Let's go back. I think this is a totally irrelevant error. Let's go to the RCM. Read DTCs. Yes. And there we go. B1998. Side airbag circuit open, front passenger side. Side airbag circuit opened, front passenger side. And to my surprise, at the moment it is also current and in history. That's strange. Can we see it in data stream? That would be nice to check live while moving the seat what happens with the connector. Oh wow. That's amazing. There's all the data. I mean, that could be a whole video on itself about the TopDon TopScan. So this must be where it says open. I will move the seat and see if anything changes. I will touch the connector. Okay, so there isn't any difference in that. But now the whole idea is, if we disconnect the battery, which I'm going to do, will the error reset by itself? And that's what I will want to see. I will save a report of the errors found in the car, just to have it. Now here is after the battery is connected again. Let's take a look if the airbag light error comes back. As you can see, it is gone. The DSC, the traction control light, is on because we have disconnected the battery and it needs to go a few meters in order to calibrate and start again. Scan. So actually the airbag faults are still there for some reason, but the light does not come on. Ah, no. So here I am, I have disconnected the battery for at least 10 minutes and now we have a couple of connectors. The yellow ones are usually the airbags. You have to really press it like that in order to release it, and here are two connectors, and this one you have to press the bottom clip here all the way in to release that one as well. Upon inspection, both of them I think they look okay, and I'm going to do the same thing again. Use Wurth's IPA spray to clean the connectors. Put a couple of towels here. So I'm using the IPA spray literally inside the pins. Wipe them a bit on the outside. This thing evaporates really quickly. Some dielectric grease for the pin connectors. I will give them a couple of minutes to dry out and apply the grease. I'm going to put some grease straight in the pin there, or there. I was generous. Oh. And the other one. And now I'm going to plug it, but not all the way in, to give it a bit of wiggle, not locked in. I don't want to lock it in, just to get the contacts. And there we go. And the bottom one, same thing. Don't want to lock it all the way in. Ah, it is in there. There we go. The only suspect piece is up here, the other end of the yellow connector. Now everything is plugged in. I'm going to plug the battery again and do a scan. We have connected the battery and started the scan. And here are the results. We still have the side airbag code after we have connected the battery. Now let's check the data stream. So these are the live values of our module. Let's find the side airbag, passenger side. All values look good. This TopDon TopScan has a variety of features and reads most of the sensors of the car, and that is pretty amazing actually. Let's clear the faults and see if we get anything back. We need to turn off the ignition and turn it on again. Let's read the DTCs. All the codes have cleared. So it was not just resetting the battery, but also moving and cleaning the connector did some difference. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank all of you that have subscribed, and see you on the next one. Bye.